Oh, why'd you trust me to wire up your stuff? I don't know what I'm doing. Oh my God, holy wire.
Where's the instructions?
Holy wire.
Yeah, this shit looks too confusing for me.
Above your pay grade?
Yep. So we started wrapping the truck unexpectedly. Last minute. Stargazing himself.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hit me up. Getting this grill going on.
We're also installing the Holley harness. And we got some other stuff that came in. Let me show you guys the truck. This color looks fucking beautiful. Cold case radiator. The Pro Dash came in. The 12.3 inch. We're waiting on the dash kit for it, so it's probably going to be another few days until that gets here. It's a carbon fiber dash kit. We got the adapter for the steering wheel. Last video we only had 2 bolts, but we got all of them on now, so it's nice and sturdy. This is what we were doing last week. I don't know if you guys saw the roll of wrap paper or film or whatever you call it on the bed of the truck. Man, this thing looks crazy. Check her out. We haven't wrapped the hood yet because, hey guys, so the turbos are gonna sit pretty high. They're gonna sit pretty high, so we didn't wrap it because we're gonna have to cut the hood in order, just so we wouldn't have to wrap it again. So that's why the hood's not wrapped. But yeah, the motor's gonna go in the next few days. I'll go show you guys the motor here in a little bit. But yeah, check her out.
I'm actually thinking about doing a splitter now. Can I help you? Can I help you, sir? That's it. Once we get the push rods, we can shove this thing in. Push rods and really, I just need the oil pan. I don't want to do that in the truck.